In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check older orders in Amazon. Let's get started by making sure you're signed into your Amazon account. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon homepage. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your usual account credentials. This is important because you'll only be able to see the order history that's linked to the account you're currently using. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Instead of clicking right away, move your mouse over this area and hover on it for a second. A drop-down menu will appear, showing different options related to your account. From that drop-down, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where Amazon organizes different settings and tools into tiles or sections. On this page, look for the tile labeled Your Orders. It's usually near the top and is clearly marked. Go ahead and click on Your Orders. Now you're on the Orders page. By default, you should see a list of your recent orders. Each order entry typically shows the item, the date you bought it, the price, and options like tracking, returning, or viewing the invoice. If you're looking for something specific, you don't have to scroll endlessly. In the top right corner of the Orders page, you'll see a search bar. You can use this to search for an order by product name, by the seller's name, or even by order number if you have it. Type in what you remember about the item and press enter. This is especially helpful if you're trying to confirm a past purchase or find details for a warranty or return. Just above your list of orders, you'll also notice a drop-down filter. This lets you choose a time range for your orders. You can view orders from the last 30 days, the past 3 months, or the current year. Adjusting this filter makes it much easier to find older orders without scrolling too far back in time. If the order you're trying to find is a digital purchase, like an ebook, a movie, or a digital subscription, switch over to the Digital Orders tab on the same page. The layout is very similar. You can still use the search bar and the time filter there in exactly the same way. And that's it. You now know how to quickly find and review your older orders on Amazon, whether they're physical items or digital purchases.